Hello, welcome back. Today we'll be doing an unboxing and a very simple review of the Edifier TWS NB2 Pro, which is wireless earbuds with ANC and ambient mode. Okay, interesting. See, there you go. We have hybrid ANC, dual mic noise cancellation, spatial audio, quick charge, AAC audio decoding, roll swapping, I'm not sure what it means, IP54, dust and waterproof, and 32-hour playtime as promised. So in the back of the box we have more information. So without further ado, let's just unbox this thing and see what you get inside. So we have this kind of nice box. When you open it up, you will find your earbuds. Okay, let's just open it up. All right, okay, we got them right there. There's juice already, and we have this bag of this part, accessories. Yes. What do we get in terms of accessories? Let's open it up, and you get this pouch with this thing. Okay, quite a nice pouch. It's not bad. Not my kind of thing though, but it is what it is. And we get some spare earplugs. Okay, what else? We get the user guide, I guess. Is there anything? Some important safety information thingy here, which, let's be honest, none of us gonna read it. And we have a USB-C cable for charging. So let's just put all of this to the side and get to the most important part of this video, which is how does this thing sounds? How does the Edifier TWS NB2 Pro sounds? Okay, to know how they sound, let's just pair it to my phone. I've already paired it actually. So these things, when you just after you have paired them, when you open the cover, you will just instantly pair straight away. There you go, pair straight away. Let's just open up Spotify, put this on my left ear, put this on my right ear. Okay, by default the ANC is turned on. Okay, I have a fan behind me and I can barely hear the fan. Okay, let's just play one song. Maybe SMS by Barcode Brothers, why not? All right. Very bass heavy. What else do I have here? We have Twister Overnight Celebrity. Let's play that. Yeah, not bad. This sounds very good actually. It has that V sound signature. I think you're familiar with that. Boosted bass and then boosted highs, and I think the mids are not bad. Yeah, they sound great. They sound exactly as they cost. Do you know what I mean? Because they're quite expensive. because they're quite expensive, so they better sound good, right? So yeah, they sound good. Okay, great. The NC is working. In case you want to know how to toggle the ANC things, you just double tap the left earbud. When you double tap, you should get to the next mode, which is ambient mode. Okay, now I can hear myself and I can hear the fan when it's in ambient mode. When I double tap again, it will be ANC off, I think. Okay, there you go. The earbuds will tell you when you're switching between modes. So let's turn on ANC again. Okay. So I would say the ANC works. The earbud sounds, for me, they sound amazing compared to all the cheap earbuds that I've reviewed so far. This one really sounds good. Okay, even though it has the V sound signature, it still sounds good. Just in case you're thinking about getting this, just remember that the tap function here is not very sensitive. I guess you can adjust it if you download the Edifier Connect app, which, you know, if you want to, you can go ahead and download it. But I prefer not to use the Edifier Connect app because it requires so many permissions that I'm not willing to turn on. So yeah, they sound good. Then have that feature where if you remove the earbuds from your ear, the thing will stop playing. See? Okay, let me just. Okay, you see. When I try to play it, it stops. But when I put it in my ear, okay, it instantly plays when I placed it in my ear. So they're good. Let me just. So that's pretty much it, I guess. There's nothing much to say. If you purchase this, I would definitely say, yeah, if you have the money for this, go ahead. They're great. They're great in my opinion. See you next time.